The next thing we are going to learn about today is using a protractor and a straight edge to draw angles. So let's start. We're going to have an angle CAT, C-A-T, and this angle we're going to draw is going to be 60 degrees big. So to draw angle CAT, I'm going to start with a ray, and I could put this right anywhere on my paper, but it is easiest if you get to choose to draw it straight across. So here I'll put my vertex A, and I'll give myself a nice big dot there, and I'll say that this goes through point T, and I'm going to find 60 degrees away where to put the other ray, AC. So that's where my protractor comes in handy. I come and line it up with my vertex and my ray. And then I'm going to count 60 degrees away and put a dot. So I'm going to count up using the ones on the inside, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You could put the line there, or you could put the dot down there. Either way, it will still be on your ray when you draw it. So I put my dot in, and I remove my protractor, grab my straight edge, and line it up as nicely as I can. The more precise you are, the better it'll look. And there you go. I have a 60-degree angle. That dot that I drew, I can call angle C, point C on angle CAT. And that's my first one. We'll do another angle down below. We'll do measure angle DOG. So this time we'll say the measure of angle DOG is 105 degrees. So like I said, you don't have to put your ray facing across the paper like we did before. You could put it in any direction. I think to start, I'm going to put it straight up and down. Maybe that's how I need my angle to be. And somewhere we'll put our vertex. So since I get to choose, I'm going to put my vertex here, and that should be O, because that's what's in the middle. Our vertex is the one in the middle. And then here I'll put G, and my line that makes it a ray. Now I will take my protractor and set it up with my vertex. So my vertex is O, and set up the line as best as I can on my ray. And this time I need to count using the outer numbers. Oh geez. Because those are the ones that count up. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then halfway between 100 and 110 is 105. Each of these little lines is 1 degree. So there's 5, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I put my dot out there, remove my protractor, grab my straight edge, and draw from my vertex. I'll go this way. From my vertex to that dot, creating my other ray. And I can just, where I had that dot, I could call that D for DOG.